Win! If for any reason you want to go out, ensure that you obtain a proper pass. We have the morning meditation. We began because my briefing was short. The morning meditation is compulsory for everybody, both corps members and camp officials. During the morning meditation, there's an aspect of it that is the physical training. The physical training is to make you physically strong and mentally alert. We are expecting the state functionaries to visit us on Monday. I create your indulgence to be in your best form. We are going to be wearing the ceremonial outfit. Our ceremonial outfit is the khaki trouser, the crescent vest. The crescent vest is that one that has the NYSC around it. Boot, not this white canvas, with the boot, jumbo boot, and canvas well laced, and then the cap and your belt to match. That is what we'll be wearing on Monday for the swearing-in ceremony. Ensure you don't deface our uniform. When you move around, you see some of the posters we have put out there. You are wearing a NYSC crescent vest, you carry your NYSC khaki and tie on your waist. Not allowed. Don't deface NYSC. Have you ever seen a military man or even a police tying their thing on their waist? That is what Nigerian uniform is. Even the one you are wearing is Nigerian uniform because federal government bought it. We engage in religious activities. In this camp, there are 3 bodies that have been approved. The NCCF, the Muslim, the MCAM, we call it the MCAM, and the Nigerian Catholic Compassion Association. Human capital is greater than financial capital. Ensure that as you have come to class, we will be involved in a lot of sporting activities, even social gatherings. Every night we will gather here. We are going to be having parties, we are going to be having that drama, final show. That is how we unwind. At night we come here to unwind after the day labor. Then you are going to be entitled to some allowances. You know your transport allowance. That one that federal government transport to have the bicycle today is something that breaks our heart. But my DG is working day and night to ensure that that transport is reviewed to meet contemporary transport charges. Before that happens, whatever is given to us, we say thank God. We continue to manage until the federal government of Nigeria remembers again that it is time to increase these things. Amen. Amen. Nothing dies in our hands. Amen. Dies in our hands. Amen.
Let's appreciate the State Coordinator once again. Thank you very much,